How to fix Panasonic Printer Offline issue on Mac. Step 1. Check basic connections. Ensure the printer is powered on. Verify USB or network cables are securely connected. For Wi-Fi models, check if the printer is connected to the same network as your Mac. Step 2. Restart devices. Turn off the Panasonic printer. Unplug the power cable for 30 seconds. Restart your Mac. Step 3. Set printer online in System Settings. Open Apple menu. System Settings. Select Printers and Scanners. Right-click your Panasonic printer, choose Resume Printer, if available. Step 4. Clear Print Queue. Open Applications. Utilities. Printer Setup utility. Select your Panasonic printer, click Delete to clear stuck print jobs. Step 5. Check printer status. Open Printers and Scanners. In System Settings, select your printer, ensure it shows Idle or Ready instead of Paused or Offline. Step 6. Reinstall printer. On Printers and Scanners, click the B minus button to remove the printer. Click the Mena plus Scanner button to re-add it. Select your Panasonic printer from the list. Step 7. Update printer drivers. Visit Panasonic's official support website. Download the latest macOS drivers for your printer model. Install and restart your Mac. Step 8. Network troubleshooting, Wi-Fi models. Move the printer closer to your router. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Reconnect the printer to your network via the printer's control panel. Step 9. Reset printing system, advanced fix. Open Printers and Scanners. Right-click anywhere in the printer list. Select Reset Printing System. Re-add your printer afterward. Step 10. Contact Panasonic support. If the issue persists, visit Panasonic's support page. Use live chat or call their support line. Provide your printer model and macOS version. Prevention tips. Keep printer firmware updated. Use genuine Panasonic ink toner. Avoid frequent power interruptions. For more updates, follow our channel, The Printer Zone.